Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a low volume problem on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Okay, so let's begin by going to the settings, of course, and then go to sound, and now you'll have volume. And make sure that none of these bars are set all the way down. If they are, then they will cause the sound that they refer to be silent or quiet. For example, for media, let's just go through all of them. Ringtone is when someone calls you. It's the volume when someone calls you. Media is the volume of videos and music and stuff like that you may be playing. Notifications is the sound of notification that is received. Then also the system is just the system clicks and taps and stuff like that. Then AI assistant is your Gemini, most probably. Maybe also Bixby or Google Assistant. And it also has its bar, and alarm is the volume of an alarm ringing, and it can be different than the ringtone itself. These are all the volumes here, so make sure that if in some of these sections your sound is too low, then to increase the volume right here. Now also make sure to disable do not disturb mode, because do not disturb mode may silence some notifications or calls or stuff like that. So you may need to go to, I believe it'll be in notifications. Yes, do not disturb. And now if it's enabled, then it may silence even alarms and sounds. So try disabling it or adjusting its settings of what's allowed during do not disturb. Now go to the next part, which is cleaning your speaker or headphone port. If you have problems with headphones, then you can either watch a video on our channel about headphones, because that may be the problem here, or if you're using your speakers, try cleaning the speaker grill. The speaker grills are on both sides. There are two of them, 1 and 2. Then on the other one there's also 1 and 2 right here. So try cleaning all of them with a soft brush or compressed air, so that problem with the sound doesn't occur. Now also it is worth updating your software, so go to settings and then go to software update and go to download and install, and if there's any update available, try installing it so it can help you with fixing some bugs. And I think that will be it for the video. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.